symbols are going to have a reference line. And
Usually it's written.
Now everybody's going to see this. You're not dragging anymore.
Get to the camera. The cameraman. Yeah, as long as that one overlaps 50%. It looks good.